Hello everyone. Today we are making Mainoli Kelyancho Halwo, which is also called as Moira Keli Halwo. This is nothing but plantain halwa. It goes very well with chapati, fulka, roti or poori. It is super tasty, super delicious and gets ready in a jiffy. Pick and choose ripe plantains for this halwa. We need some blackness on the outside. The skin of plantains is a little hard compared to bananas, so be careful while peeling it. I'm using 3 plantains. Cut it into coin-sized pieces. For optimal cooking, try to cut it into equal sized pieces. Look, this is what we need. Start making the halwa as soon as you finish cutting to prevent any discoloration. Heat a pan over medium flame with 6 teaspoons of ghee, 2 teaspoons per plantain. Once the ghee is hot, add the plantains. We are going to lightly fry it in ghee. This gives it a very good aroma and texture. A lot of the other methods which are used in Goa require boiling the plantains in sugar water, but this one is the one that my mom followed and her halwa is out of the world. Trust me. Once the color changes, we are going to add hot boiling water. The level of water should be about the same as that of the plantains. We are now going to add some salt and sugar, about 1/4 cup plus 2 more teaspoons. You may adjust the sweetness based on your preference. Let the whole mixture come to a boil. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes and the plantains are cooked. Don't let it cook too much. Switch off the flame and add cardamom powder. That is all that this halwa needs. Keep it covered until serving time. The halwa will thicken as it cools down. This is how it should look like. The plantain should be cooked properly but yet maintain its shape. This is one of the quickest plantain halwas that you can make, literally under 10 minutes. You can easily store this in the refrigerator for 3 to 5 days. If you like this recipe, let me know in the comment section. Stay fit, stay happy. Until next time, take care.